That's my address. Don't look at that. Ooh. Who you fighting? Look. So excited. Oh man. Let's see if it's charged. Oh. It's not charged. Dang it. Oh well. Oh well. I should get to charging it. Cleaning. Manual. That's it. That's the Cox Box. Brand new. Thumbnail. Just plugged it in. It's charging. Hopefully it'll be charged enough to use at practice today, but it only has a little bit to charge. It only has a little while to charge, so I don't know if it'll be at that battery level, but it's so cool. I'm so excited about this. I can't even express. I'm so thankful to anyone who donated and to the team for working hard, and you know, to the other people and the officers board who are supporting this, and it just, I mean, it's a small piece of growth, but it really does mean a lot, and it just makes me want to just keep going. So thank you.